Okay, welcome to Module 6. In Module 5, you learned about networks, and I hope that that was useful to you. Networking is such an important part of computer science. It's a whole nother branch. I mean, you can totally do programming, but networking is another possible career path that you might want to think about. Next year, we're going to be, for those of you who are not graduating, we're going to be offering a brand new course in cybersecurity that's going to be co-taught by Ms. Harb and Ms. Banks. So that ought to be really exciting. And that will, you'll learn more about networking and the security that you need in place, and which is a huge career opportunity these days anyway. So hopefully you enjoyed about that and learning about the SEM networks. You guys had some really great questions about the SEM networks, and I have not gotten to answer them yet, but I will be doing that in the next couple of days. For those of you who I met with already, I'm so happy to have been able to do that. And for those of you who have not scheduled meetings yet, please do, because it's important for us to get to know each other for a lot of reasons. I see that some of you were having a little trouble with Grok. The thing with Grok, first let me say, don't struggle with it and don't tear your hair out. Let me know if there's a problem. I can get in on the back end and help you with it. It may be more than you expected, so from now on try and time yourself, work on the timing. I know that some of you left it until the very last second. I get it. I understand how that goes. I'm not going to count off if it's late. That's not really how things go. I will count off if you don't try and fix it. So if you come to me and we fix it, and you understand what the issues were, then you'll get full credit for it. If you leave it go too long, then I'm going to have to take points off. But other than that, I just want you to understand it and learn it. And let me just show you something about Grok that I really like. So on the pages in Grok that aren't even the exercise pages, just the regular pages, and these are the pages you have to read carefully because this is where you get the information that you need to do the exercises. But I love that you can play with these and test them. So in this example, they're showing you that if you wrap a word with the tag strong on and strong off, that you can make that bold, see, and you see it below. But if you want to fool around with it and test it and see what happens if, let's say, you forget to do the opening one and you take that out, you see it right away. You can fool around with it. And you can do, okay, it says, it gives you the error here too. But let's take this out too, because then you're not going to get an error. But there's nothing that's going to be bold. And same thing here with the italics. So this EM is going to set the italics. So you can take those off, and you can see that it just removes it. So you can test things as you're trying to understand and learn them, and to reset it. I think this one, I'll probably just have to reset the page and it'll come back to the way it was. Yeah, so that's just one of those things that I really like about Grok. And the App Lab surveys, almost everybody voted on those surveys, and I can say that the winner was survey number 4 with the most votes, followed closely by survey number 6. I did put in the collaboration space so that you could see what all your classmates said about those 2 surveys. So congratulations to you ladies. Great job. Everybody did a great job, and I hope you had fun with it and learned a lot. And I hope you're going to enjoy this part, this HTML part as well. I know it's not quite as creative, but I love it. I think it's fun to do. And remember that I'm happy to help you with this stuff. Please don't struggle. Please don't leave your work till the last second. And let me know if you need any help, and I'm here to help you. And I can't wait to talk to the rest of you that I haven't spoken to yet. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.